SpeedStudy AI is a game-changing software that just hit the market, and in this review, I'm going to cover 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. If you're looking for a tool that can turbocharge your productivity, save time, and harness the power of artificial intelligence, then stick around because I'm going to break it all down. First off, SpeedStudy AI is designed to optimize the way you study or process information. Whether you're a student, professional, or someone who just wants to work smarter, this software will help you absorb and retain information faster. It uses advanced algorithms to analyze how you learn best and customizes its approach based on your unique needs. This isn't just a generic AI tool, it adapts to you, and that's what sets it apart. Now, let's talk about the user interface. SpeedStudy AI is incredibly intuitive. Even if you're not a tech expert, you don't need a steep learning curve to get started. The layout is clean and easy to navigate, and everything is organized logically. You can dive right into using the software without feeling overwhelmed by complicated settings. One of the standout features of SpeedStudy AI is its ability to generate personalized study plans. Instead of you spending time figuring out what you need to focus on, it does the heavy lifting for you. It evaluates your progress, identifies weak points, and tailors your study material accordingly. This makes it an incredibly powerful tool for anyone looking to optimize their learning process. Another key benefit is the software's integration with various platforms. Whether you're working with PDFs, articles, or web content, SpeedStudy AI seamlessly pulls data from these sources to give you a tailored experience. No need to manually input data or switch between apps. Everything you need is right there in one place, saving you significant time and effort. Now you might be wondering about the learning speed. SpeedStudy AI has some of the most impressive algorithms for speeding up learning without sacrificing retention. It's not just about cramming more info in, it's about making sure the info sticks. Whether you're preparing for exams or trying to upskill for work, this software uses spaced repetition and smart review methods to maximize your results. But here's where things get really interesting. SpeedStudy AI also allows you to track your progress. You can see how well you're doing, what areas need more attention, and adjust your plan in real time. The ability to continuously optimize your study sessions is invaluable, especially when you're working under tight deadlines or aiming for high performance. One of the most exciting aspects is the flexibility it offers. This isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. You can tweak settings based on your learning goals. Want to dive deeper into certain topics or speed through others? No problem. The AI adapts to your preferences and evolves as your needs change. That kind of flexibility is rare in most study software, making SpeedStudy AI a true standout. Finally, let's talk about accessibility. SpeedStudy AI is cloud-based, meaning you can access your study sessions from anywhere. Whether you're at home, in a cafe, or on the go, all your materials and progress are synced up and available in real time. That's crucial in today's fast-paced world, where we don't have time to sit at a desk all day. So, if you're ready to supercharge your learning process with one of the most innovative tools out there, you can try SpeedStudy AI for completely free from the link in the description below. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and this one truly stands out. At the end of the day, SpeedStudy AI is perfect for anyone looking to maximize their study efficiency with the help of advanced technology. It's intuitive, flexible, and incredibly effective at improving your learning. You can access it for free right now, so don't miss out. And if you're curious about other top AI tools that can help you in your personal or professional life, make sure to check out the links in the description. I've handpicked my top recommendations after testing countless AI software. Don't forget to give them a try. They might be just what you need.